All right, here's a quick video. Here's the Bendix on top of the starter motor. It spins independently. This is the old one. So it was going up as it should, and then the gear would engage the flywheel and the core was just spinning like this once it hit the flywheel, and like the motor would just barely rotate. And I was like, man, is this thing supposed to spin? It doesn't make sense to me. But anyway, can I flip this? No. Anyway, there's the starter motor. As you can see there, when it spins, it launches this thing up and then it engages these gears. But if the core is spinning, then it's not going to work. So I ordered a fresh one here off West Marine, and it does not spin. It is pretty darn hard. So I'm going to drop that on there. All I did here was I removed the top bolt and the side bolt, and it's able to fall away enough to where you could pull the Bendix off the top of the starter motor. All right, hope that helps you if you're encountering the same issue.